हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू प्रकाश बैच क्लास 31। आज हमारी 31st क्लास है। इससे पहले की सारी क्लासेस आप प्लेलिस्ट से ज़रूर ले लीजिए क्योंकि आपका एग्ज़ाम जो है वो काफ़ी जल्दी होने वाला है। तो अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करिए, एक भी क्लास को मिस मत करिए और कोशिश करिए कि आपका जिस टाइम पर एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है, जिस टाइम में आपका एडमिट कार्ड पे लिखा हुआ है, उसी टाइम पर डिक्टेशन ज़रूर लिखिए। उसके अलावा आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी ही है, पर उस टाइम पर आपको स्पेसिफिकली डिक्टेशन लिखना है। आज हम लोग 2 मैटर्स लिखने वाले हैं। इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी। 3, 2, 1, start. Education is a very common and a popular word that is spoken by many of us but understood by a very few in its right perspective. It is in one way or the other appears to be as old as the human race, though during the course of time its meaning and objectives have inevitably undergone certain changes. As a student of an education course and as a future teacher, it is essential for you to understand the meaning of education, its features, and different perspectives that have shaped its meaning from time to time. Understanding the concept of education and its dynamic features will help you to develop insights about the purpose of becoming a teacher and help you while educating your students. Para. You are by now familiar with the terms education, educated person, and educating. You must have also used these terms on several occasions in conversation with others. What do we mean by education? Does teaching or instructing become education, or is it learning in an institution? Does developing the child into a good human being known as education? Is it possible to have one meaning of education? There are many more such questions that come to our mind when we attempt to understand the concept of education. Para. Education has been interpreted by different people in different ways. Some people refer to it as formal schooling or to lifelong learning. Some others refer to it as acquisition of knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Some say that education is nothing but training of people's mind in a particular direction to bring about desired changes. If you ask a statesman, a teacher, a parent, and a student about what education means to them, you would be surprised to know the multiple interpretations and views people have about education. This only shows that education does not have one precise, universally accepted definition. It has various meanings with various functions. Analysis of these meanings would help us to understand what education really is. To begin with, let us look into how the term education has evolved and some of the views of great thinkers that show the concept and meaning of education. Para. You must have come across people who consider that instruction imparted in schools and higher education institutions is nothing but education. The aims of education in these contexts are measured in terms of degrees or certification or promotion. There is a deliberate effort made with a definite purpose to develop a certain amount of knowledge, skills, attitudes, and habits in these institutions. This is a narrow concept of education which is confined only to a specific, deliberate, and planned efforts that have a bearing on the development of the individual. Para. The educator, in the narrow sense, aims at producing the literate or a professional person, such as an engineer, a doctor, a teacher, a businessman, and so on. Here, the individual is deliberately taught to think as predetermined by the educators. Thus, in a narrow sense, education is nothing but a purposeful activity deliberately planned for the optimum development of an individual's potential. Para. In the broader or wider sense, education is not limited to a classroom or a school only. It is considered to be a lifelong process where all the experiences, knowledge, and wisdom that an individual acquires at different stages of one's life through different channels are termed as education. The broader view considers education as an act or experience that has an effect to the personality of an individual. It is believed that education is not only an instrument of social change but also an investment in national development. Such a view of education includes all life experiences, as there is a shift in emphasis from individual development to national development. Para. It is considered that education is a lifelong process that includes all experiences that the child receives in the school or at home, in the community and society through interactions of various sorts and activities. The broader meaning of education implies the process of development wherein the individual gradually adapts himself herself in various ways to his/her physical, social, and spiritual environments. Para. There is always a controversy whether education is a process or a product. Mostly we consider education as a product, that is something that has been produced as a result of certain inputs, which in this case is instruction of experiences. Stop. So ये हमने एक जनरल मैटर लिख लिया है, एक तरह से एडिटोरियल मैटर था। आप लोगों में से बहुत से लोग कमेंट कर रहे थे कि एडिटोरियल मैटर लिखवाओ, तो मैंने एक एडिटोरियल मैटर आपको लिखवा दिया है। इसको आप लिख कर देखिए, ट्रांसक्राइब कर देखिए कितनी मिस्टेक्स आती हैं, उसके बाद कमेंट करके आप ज़रूर बताइए। अब हम लोग लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं, सो गेट रेडी। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। द अपील was dismissed by the learned additional sessions judge New Delhi. Thereafter, the appellants, after expiry of 3 weeks, filed second application, which came to be considered by the learned additional sessions judge to who allowed the same by the impugned order. The aforesaid order was assailed before the High Court on 2 grounds. First, the accused persons had misrepresented the facts and that there was no charge in the circumstances, and second, the application for grant of anticipatory bail could not have been entertained by the learned additional Sessions Judge 4 for the first application was rejected by the learned additional Sessions Judge 6. Para. The High Court referred to certain decisions with regard to the parameters for grant of anticipatory bail, absence of change of circumstances, conduct of the accused persons in the manner in which they had executed the agreement for sale, the need for custodial interrogation, and the impropriety in view of the fact that another court had entertained the application for consideration despite the fact that the first application was earlier rejected by another court, and analyzing these aspects set aside the order for grant of bail. It is necessary to state here that the High Court has drawn a distinction between an order passed which is perverse in nature, inviting the wrath of impropriety, and a cancelling order of bail due to supervising circumstances after the grant of bail. Para. We have heard the learned senior counsel for the appellants, learned additional solicitor general for the state of NCT of Delhi, and the learned counsel for the informant, the second respondent. On a perusal of the order passed by the High Court, we find that it has felt disturbed that the second application was allowed by another additional sessions judge who had not dealt with the first application. It has opined that the second judge could not have entertained the bail application, especially when the earlier judge was available. To elaborate this, the additional sessions judge who has dealt with the matter on the first occasion had neither been transferred from the said court nor had he become incapacitated to come to court. Para. As it appears, the High Court has taken exception to the fact that the application was moved when the second judge was allotted the roster to deal with the application under section 438 CRPC. Para. To appreciate the analysis made by the High Court, we have bestowed our anxious consideration and perused the order impugned. As far as the distinction drawn by the High Court passed in a perverse manner, excluding the relevant matters and considering the extraneous matters which deserves to be laminated in exercise of supervisory jurisdiction to nullify the same, and the other which is fundamentally and absolutely situation based for cancelling the order of bail because of violation of the terms and conditions of the order granting bail and other supervising circumstances. However, the said situation or circumstance does not arise in the case at hand. Para. In that context, this court held that long-standing convention and judicial discipline requires bail application to be placed before the learned judge who had passed earlier orders. On a perusal of the aforesaid authorities, it is clear to us that the learned judge who has declined to entertain the prayer for grant of bail, if available, should hear the second bail application or the successive bail applications. It is in consonance with the principle of judicial decorum, discipline, and propriety Needless to say, unless such a principle is adhered to, there is an enormous possibility of forum shopping which has no sanction in law and definitely has no sanctity. Para. These appeals have been preferred against the orders passed by the division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh. The appellants in special leave petition are the Chandigarh administration and the Government Medical College and Hospital. The appellant has filed the special leave petition with the permission of this court, who was not a party either before the single judge or before the division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Leave to file special petition was granted in considering the grievances expressed by the said appellant, contending that in the event of the impugned orders of the division bench being implemented, her chance of getting admission to the course of MBBS for the academic year 2014-15 under the non-resident India category would be impugned. The present impugned orders of the division bench came to be passed. Stop. So ये हमने एक लीगल मैटर लिखा है. इसकी स्पीड स्टार्टिंग के अंदर स्लो, बीच में हाई और लास्ट में वापस से स्लो. तो आई होप आप लोगों से ये लीगल मैटर लिखा गया होगा. इसके अंदर जितने भी जो डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं उनको मैंने बोल्ड कर रखा है. आप उनको अच्छे से रिवाइज कर लीजिए, उनकी स्पेलिंग्स को अच्छे से याद कर लीजिए. तो आज की क्लास जो है वो यहीं पर एंड होती है. आपको कोई भी डाउट हो या क्वेरी हो तो आप मुझको कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो या फिर पर्सनली टेलीग्राम पर मैसेज कर सकते हो. टेलीग्राम का चैनल का लिंक और टेलीग्राम की पर्सनल आईडी दोनों ही डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको गिवन है, तो आप वहाँ से उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय.